to my channel. My name's Tosh. I think I'm pretty posh, and oh my gosh, I'm so excited that you're here today. If you're new, don't forget to click that button down below, subscribe so you don't miss out on any of the joy that I have to bring to you this year. And if you are a returning subscriber, you guys should already know that I would die for you. I would take a bullet if you need me to. As you guys know, well, maybe you know, but I know my most viewed video on my channel is cleaning my 3-inch white shag rug, and I'm bringing it back today because I am moving, and that's why, well, I don't know when this video is going up, but this last week I didn't upload any videos because I've just been busy packing. I bought some stuff, and one of the things that I bought you guys are actually sitting on. I thought it would be fun to maybe try some of your guys' recommendations. I don't have like a long time to clean this rug or multiple days. I just have today. We're gonna do the best that we can. A couple of comments that I noticed when I was looking through my last video is the first one was like, maybe I should use some kind of brush to like re-fluff it. I forgot to buy one. So I have a wide tooth comb. It's plastic, so I don't know how well it's gonna work because I don't want to break it, but I will just try to use that, I think, and like fluff it back up with that. Somebody commented, and I'm not even gonna lie, I got a little bit salty when I saw this comment. I was like, dang, like, why are you calling me out like that? She was like, dang, like, how are you gonna be cleaning your white rug with your dirty feet? So I bought some slippers, and they have like the rubber bottom, so there will be a little bit of traction. I got them at Walmart for like $5. And then somebody told me to try and do like a pre-stain treatment, and I again went to Walmart. My dog is so interested. You're not gonna like it. Somebody was like, you should get like a pre-stain treatment, and they didn't really have too many options available, and I didn't know where else to go, and I didn't really want to spend a lot of money, to be honest. So I got this Resolve Heavy Traffic Foam Carpet Cleaner. 5 times the benefits versus vacuuming alone. Easy deep cleaning for wide areas, help prevent resoiling. I am gonna do a whole process, kind of. It's probably gonna take me a while to do, but I'm gonna start with vacuuming the rug, and I'm not gonna go over it like standing up. I'm gonna use the hose, just kind of like wiggle it around like that, because I feel like it does get more dirt, and then after that I'll probably go over it and vacuum, and then I'll try my best to comb it out, and then we will unbox this cleaner. This whole area is matted, and I don't know how to make it not matted, so I'm going to Google really quick and see if there is a way to unmat it. I really kind of messed up this time around. It's like dreads. Okay, so I had this Febreze bottle that I've been like putting carpet cleaner in and water, and just like whenever Ollie has an accident or something, I just use that. So what I did, because it was basically empty, I just put some conditioner in it and warm water, and I'm gonna spray it all over this. And I used hair conditioner, y'all. I don't have anything else, so I'm not about to go to the store and be buying all these extra products and stuff. Like, I'm making what I got work. If it ruins the rug, you know, this will be a learning experience for me. Oh my god, don't do that to your rug, you dumb bitch. Like, how do you not know? I'm like, literally, you guys. And it's about to be cleaned anyways with the cleaner. Do you see the rest of the rug? Like, it needs to be like this. And I mean, we can get it there, but it's literally like matted. I already feel like that made a huge difference. Please don't yell at me in the comments. Like, I literally don't know anything about rugs. Like, and I'm just trying to make it work because I'm not trying to buy this rug again, you know? And everyone was like, don't get a white rug. Don't get a white rug. You're gonna regret it. And I'm like, no, I won't. This is definitely a task. Do you guys see like right there how it's all like pushed down? Watch, like right there. It's all just like pushed down. This is like a huge knot. It upsets me so much I want to cut it. Wanna move my feet. Wanna drink my wine. Wanna move my feet. Wanna drink my wine. Wanna move my feet. Wanna drink my wine. even know what time it is. I think I've been doing this for 2 hours already, and I have not even started cleaning the rug, but it took me a solid hour to demat this area. Like a whole hour just to do that area, and it's still not 100% perfect. In my last video, I just rented the machine from Big Lots. It was like 50 bucks and it honestly worked really well. It was just really big, so it took a lot of effort for me to push that thing. This one was $80. So what I paid last time, I would have gotten back already, basically, if that makes sense. So I decided to just buy one. My mom actually bought this for me, so thank you, Mom. I really appreciate it. It says pet on it, but it's not for you. It is the Hoover powerdash pet carpet cleaner. It's lightweight, heat force, and antimicrobial power spin. Okay, so first we have this thing. Oh, it came with wash. Yay, wow. Oh wow, that is, oh, it's still really wet right there. That is really light.
Wanna move my feet. Wanna move my feet. Wanna move my feet. Wanna drink my wine. Wanna drink my wine. Wanna move my feet. Wanna drink my wine. Wanna move my feet.
I decided to boil water in my kettle and then let it sit for like 10-15 minutes so that the water would actually be like hot and kind of stay hot for a minute. Plastic is still good and everything like that. And then I put solution in, and then I think the dirty water comes down here. That, but I have to. We've only done right here and we're already almost done with the water. And then also I do want to say I think that Resolve stuff really worked because this was like way darker. I'm honestly really shocked by that, but we're gonna keep going.
Wanna move my feet. Wanna drink my wine. Wanna move my feet. Wanna drink my wine. Wanna move my feet.
Shoes were like seriously a great idea.
Wanna move my feet. Wanna drink my wine.
You guys, okay, this is after one passing. I did just respray the Resolve on that spot again to make it even more like clean. Wearing these slippers was the best idea ever. Like, I got a little bit salty last time because I was like, my feet are clean, I don't need them. Literally game changer. First of all, like walking on the carpet, being able to vacuum comfortably, 10 out of 10 recommend. And then, oh, my dog is so afraid of this, you guys. Look how disgusting this looks. Doesn't that look nasty? I am totally gonna have to clean this. I'm not gonna be able to wait. Like, can you guys see all that hair there? I will show you all of the hair that this thing picks up at the end when we're done. It is ridiculous. Like, I thought that vacuum was working. I can't wait for you guys to see. I'm about to put just hot water in this and go over the rug again with just the hot water, and then I'm gonna do another round with shampoo and water, and then another round with just hot water, and then I'm just gonna do the dry passing, and then we'll be done. We don't have to empty it until it's up to here, but I wanna empty it because I wanna be able to track how dirty the water is. But you guys, look at that. That is absolutely disgusting. It's literally black. Oh, wow. Okay, so I think I'm going to do it a couple more times, but off camera, because I know it's really repetitive for you guys. The rug is looking really good, but I really would love the water to not be black. This is what the rug looks like at night. I'm gonna show you guys again tomorrow during the day so you guys can see it. But it's a pretty big rug, first of all. Okay, and I have been doing this for a while. Water's still not clear, but that's fine. Like, it is so white. I cannot. It looks so good. Like I said before I even started, this can is empty. There's nothing in here. Okay? I used this entire can. It was enough to cover the whole rug like one time. And then I had some extra, so I went in again on this area where it was, you know, that black patch. The first time I did soap and water. The second time I did just water, then I did soap and water, just water, soap and water, and then just water again. And definitely recommend buying this Hoover cleaner. Another thing that I really want to show you guys, just for proof, because people got mad at me for saying that's a shitty vacuum. It's not a shitty vacuum. It's just, first of all, really heavy, and it does not get all the dirt and hair out of this like I need. Are you ready for this? I don't think you guys are ready. Let's just talk about that mountain of hair. Are you serious? Are you serious? This thing is seriously the best purchase I've made in 2022, which again, my mom actually bought this for me, so thank you, Mom. Could not get the water clear, to be honest. This thing is really, really, really good, and it's super light. It's lighter than my vacuum cleaner. This is super easy to maneuver. Here's the finished product. What do you guys think? This is where that black spot was kind of at. I finished it last night at like 9 p.m. and it's almost 100% dry. I'm pretty happy with the results, and I definitely recommend that cleaner. So the carpet is completed, and as you can see, I live in my new apartment now. It's literally the exact same. I just switched units because they increased the rent in my other one, and I was like, heck no, I'm not doing that. So yeah. Anyways, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I 10 out of 10 recommend the Hoover PowerDash Pet, or whatever it's called. Honestly, such a fantastic product. Like, I'm obsessed and in love. And I definitely recommend boiling your water so that you can get it the absolute hottest. Just be careful with the plastic on any of the machines that you use, because you don't want it to melt, obviously. But I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to click that button down below, subscribe, and like this video, leave me a comment. I really hope this video does as good as the last one. We'll see. And if you think that I did a better job this time, let me know down below. I will see you guys on Tuesday. I promise we're getting back on track with all of these uploads. And I'm not gonna miss another upload for the rest of this year. Mark my words. Okay? But yeah, I'll see you guys on Tuesday for an apartment tour. It's already edited. I will see you guys then. Bye.